Welcome to this step-by-step guide on Level 2 verification for FIFO workers using Telnyx. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know. So, what exactly is Level 2 verification? And why is it so important? Let's break it down. Telnyx offers a range of features tailored for businesses, enhancing streamlined communication and effective operation. Let's go through the step-by-step process for initiating your Level 2 verification. You'll need specific documentation to complete your verification. Here's what you will need. Now, let's discuss how to successfully submit your Level 2 verification request. Understanding the review process and its timeline will help set your expectations as you wait for your verification. Every process comes with its set of challenges. Let's address some common ones and how to overcome them. To make your verification process as smooth as possible, here are some practical tips. In conclusion, using Telnyx can streamline your work processes as a FIFO worker. Let's take the next steps together.